Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Minced curry chicken with pumpkin. So these are the ingredients we're going to need in order to make our minced curry chicken with pumpkin. So we're going to need one onion, we're going to need some chive, some cloves of garlic, some seasoning peppers, some basil. I have big leaf thyme here. Of course we need our minced chicken, about 1.5 cups of coconut milk, 1 cup of water. We have our pumpkin. We're going to need some green curry paste. This is about 2 heaping teaspoons of green curry paste here in that bowl. 1 teaspoon of salt and your favorite seasoning blend. Now the seasoning blend that I used did not have salt in it. Okay, so according to what seasoning blend you use, you will adjust the salt to suit. So what we're going to do now is cut up all of our ingredients there, and we're going to add it to our minced chicken. So I used about maybe 4 or 5 seasoning peppers. They're mincing up the big leaf thyme, and now I'm cutting up the basil. And the chive, we're not going to add the chive now. The chive is, you're going to add this chive at the end when everything is finished cooking, so we can just set the chive aside. I'm going to mince up the garlic. There I use about 4 cloves of garlic. All right. So we will add the seasonings now to the minced chicken, and we're going to mix everything together. Our green curry paste. You can actually add whatever curry paste you want, because you can also get yellow and red as well. All right, so we're going to add some coconut oil to our pan here. Going to add some garlic until about 30 seconds, until it becomes, we want to saute it for 30 seconds until it becomes fragrant. Now we're going to add our minced chicken and we're going to cook that. Stir everything. Gonna add in our pumpkin. So I did speed up that footage there. And now we're gonna add our coconut milk. And we're gonna add our water. And we're gonna leave that to cook completely. Now I decided to thicken up my minced chicken a little bit, so there's 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and I'm adding a little water to it to make a slurry, which I will add to it to help to thicken up my sauce. And I also added a bay leaf as well. So just leave that now for a while to simmer. All right, so when our minced chicken with pumpkin is finished cooking, the last thing we're going to do is sprinkle our chive on the top. And of course you can have this with some rice. Enjoy!